Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. If you've been following along my channel, you will notice that this is a new type of video. Until now I didn't really speak because of my southeastern European accent, but I've decided to make a step-by-step video how I cut round corners on leather. So if you like this content and want to see more of it, like step-by-step guides, tutorials and how-tos, then let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make more content like this. So, okay, let's get started. Basically, I want to show you how to cut round corners on leather, so you get like finishes like this. And I find this method, which I'm going to show, works really well. So basically, the tools you need is a sharp knife. I use this knife for like 90% of my leather work. It's pretty cheap and you get those exchangeable blades, so you don't need to resharpen it. You just take this little container and you break off the blade and you have a new sharp one. And you can buy like these spare blades pretty cheap. I think it's a few euros for 10 pieces of them. Another tool you will need is this round corner jig. This one is made of plastic and it's pretty cheap. In the future I think I will probably upgrade to a metal one, just to have that peace of mind that I won't cut into the plastic, but so far this has worked really well for me. It's made of pretty thick plastic, so it is hard really to cut into it, and to be honest I haven't cut it yet, and I've been using it for like 2 or 3 months so far. So okay, let's get started. So basically I have here a rectangular piece of leather. I have already pre-cut it, so I have 90-degree angles here. And the thing you want to do is you want to take this round corner jig, and you have different corner sizes. Usually I like to use this 10mm one, but you have also bigger and smaller ones. So this is how I usually do it. I take my piece of leather, I align the jig to it so that it's pretty much on the outer edge. I take my knife, and now you want to make sure that you're holding your knife at a 90-degree angle towards your cutting mat. You don't want it to be beveled to any side, because then your cut won't be really nice. If you're cutting only one piece of leather, maybe it won't matter that much. But if you are cutting thicker leather or like 3 or 4 layers, then you will get a beveled edge in the end if you don't hold it straight. So hold it straight, 90-degree angle, and you want to place your knife at a low angle. So you don't want to start your cut like this. You want to start it from one side at a low angle, and then cut along the edge of the corner jig, so you get a really nice finish. So let's place my knife 90-degree angle towards the cutting mat, and let's start cutting at a low angle along the corner jig. So make, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8 cuts. Just make sure they are all straight towards the map. Don't bevel your knife, and that's basically it. You have a really nice edge. If you are planning to glue another piece of leather to that, so let's say you are making a pocket or something like that, I usually cut only one side of the leather and leave the other one like this. And then when I glue them together, I will use this, whoops, just 1 second. When I glue them together, I will then use this this already cut corner as my guide. So let's say we have glued this. Oh, let me just align this a little bit. So let's say these two pieces are now glued together, and then I will use this this corner as my cutting guide. So, and I will do it again just like with the jig. Small low angle cuts along this curve, and you will get a pretty good result. As you can see, okay, they are not aligned 100% now because I haven't glued them together, but you get a pretty nice finish. And that's it. This is basically how I cut my round corners. I think it works pretty well for like small wallets like this one. And if you are, like said, placing more layers on the leather, I usually pre-cut only one of them and then use that one as a guide for the other layers. So I get a pretty nice and even corner on all layers. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this where I speak and explain things, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, if you like this channel, I would really be thankful if you would subscribe and follow me along on my leather journey. So that's it. Take care. Bye bye.